Hi, Harry Lightfoot here from Berthon, and today we are on board this really nice Hallberg-Rassy 44. Hi and welcome aboard this very nice Hallberg-Rassy 44 CARIOCA II. This is the very popular model of the 44 and she is an extremely well-specced boat and is perfect for blue water sailing or local cruising with either short-handed or many crew on board. CARIOCA II has been extremely well looked after and she has one owner since new and is currently ashore here at Berthon, available for viewings 7 days a week. As we just step around the boat here, on the stern she has a really nice swim platform that folds down. It gives you good access onto the dinghy with those davits when needed, or easy access swimming. These boats are really easy and nice to sail, as you can imagine. And on the bow you've got your electric furler, which is controlled from the helm station, as well as a 107% Genoa that was new in 2023, as well as a furling code 0 and storm sail, so she's got plenty of sails that's needed for any type of sailing. Just on the mast there as well, you'll see a really nice carbon pole that makes going downwind really easy, again if you're short-handed, as it's super light. Make your way back down towards the stern of the boat. She's got your electric in-mast main. Again, as I said, all the lines lead straight into the cockpit, so there's never any need to go up on deck on this boat. Really easy and safe to sail. Nice clean lines, the deck's a good space for 44 feet. I think she has excellent space, especially aft here, as you can see. A nice little feature are these solar panels giving really good energy, as well as the davits. A nice little cover. She's got outboards and a hard bottomed dinghy as well. Classic Hallberg-Rassy centre cockpit, along with the binomy and the fixed glass. She also has the full spray hood and side, so she can be fully enclosed. Again, this boat comes in a really good specification, especially at blue water. And on the helm station here you've got bow, stern thruster, all your controls for your electric winches, the main. Again, everything can be controlled from here, which makes it really nice and easy when you're out sailing or even docking the boat. Just looking back round into this nice cockpit, classic centre cockpit with the table that is currently up, but that can fold neatly down so it's out of the way when not needed. Nice feature here is the window that opens up. That gives really good ventilation, especially with the fixed glass. Again, gives you good access looking forward. Just having a look at that really nice mahogany table. As mentioned, all the winches are electric, which I think is a really nice feature. For once it's a nice sunny day here in Lymington, and you can see the sun is really beaming in. I think that is mainly down to the really large hatch directly above the head. And this can also open up to give good ventilation as well. As we just pan round, she's got your twin armchair seating just on the starboard side. Nice little drinks cabinet in the middle as well. Really nice, neat areas to be in. She's a 2007 model, but in really excellent condition, and I think her specification makes her ready to set sail today. As we just pan around and make our way into the galley. Some nice features in here, I think, which are quite smart, especially the sort of home comforts you get. Just down here you have a nice handy dishwasher. Get all the plates and everything you need in there after a long day. No need to wash up. Good microwave oven as well. Big surfaces, this clever feature as well. You got your twin fridge, freezer set up. Fridge as well. The owner has just added a new quokka tap as well, so instant hot water. I think that's very important. So as we make our way into the aft, again, the natural light you can see is really streaming into the boat. Good centre line, double berth, easy access on both sides as we swing around with nice seating. For the size of the boat, really nice owner's cabin. Aft heads, good size walk-in shower, as you can imagine, electric heads as well. Good headroom throughout. They've really thought about every design on this boat, really made the most of the space. Another nice feature is the access to the engine room, which is just through this door. As we duck our head in, you can get to all the main systems. You've got your generator, fuel filters. You can also have access through the companionway steps as well, but this is for your everyday need, a really good system to have. Just shut that up. Nice sound insulated as well, so she's really nice and quiet when on the go. Over into the chart table. Again, she's got really full navigation equipment, as you can imagine. Full radar, AIS. You've got your internet, you've got VHS and the twin RAYMARINEs, which are mirrored down here. And we make our way forward. This nice door that separates forward cabin from the saloon. Just on the starboard, you've got your twin bunks. Excellent on passage quarters or storage. Make our way into the forward heads. Again, similar to the aft heads, really nice size. You have your walk-in shower, electric heads as well. Nice to have two big showers, especially if you have guests on board. They've got this whole forward cabin, forward area is their own. Again, nice natural light with the big hatch. That can be a single or double. Plenty of storage as well. Clever system with that storage as well. It doesn't feel too small or cramped at all. I think they've certainly thought about everything on this boat. As mentioned, she's sort of full blue water spec. So this includes your generator, aircon, heating. You've obviously got your solar panels, you've got fans as well. So she's really set up. As we pan back round and just have a look at that saloon. Look at those really nice armchairs again. Makes it extremely comfortable after a hard day sailing. Sit back and relax. One final look at the space on deck on board CARIOCA II, Hallberg-Rassy 44.